This is the 2012 Coates and Whitney Vineyard Pinot Noir from Omero Cellars in the Yamhill-Carlton district of the Willamette Valley in Oregon. So a lot of attention being paid to natural wines lately, and in a nutshell, natural wines are just sort of suggesting a more organic, more holistic approach to winemaking with a minimal invasiveness, minimal use of pesticides, chemicals, and a lot of earthy terroir character to the wines. Some people are thinking these wines are going to come out a little bit funky, a little unapproachable, but the way that we're finding these wines are showing with the right attention paid is a really lovely expression of terroir or place character. The Omero Cellars people are new on the scene, but are doing some really excellent stuff with Oregon Pinot Noir, one of the best places for Pinot Noir in the world. And we're seeing here some really expressive fruit, coaxing out a lot of dark fruit character, which is sort of surprising for Pinot Noir, but also red currants, ripe red cherries, and raspberries, sort of a sweet spice and sweet herb character, things like tarragon and basil. And there's a surprising amount of tannin here, so it's got a lot of structure. And these guys are saying, give it a little time, give it some patience, let it mature over a few years. Well, they're being modest because this wine is lovely and balanced now. Cheers.